The two outer bolts are T30 Torx and hold the tailgate handle trim on. The three inner bolts are T40 Torx and hold the tailgate handle in. The tailgate handle trim is held on with two plastic fasteners. Gently pull out on the trim and it will pop loose. Using an angled pick, release both linkage fasteners. Use a straight edge to scribe a cut line. This material prevents your fingers from touching the tailgate handle latch. Trimming this material off saves you from having to remove the upper tailgate trim. Align the tailgate handle mounting holes and loosely install all three T40 Torx bolts, then tighten. Latch the linkage fasteners and verify proper operation. Align the plastic trim fasteners and press in, allowing the fasteners to secure the trim. Hold up on the trim from the bottom side of the tailgate and install the two T30 Torx bolts. Be careful not to over tighten these as they only bolt into plastic.